Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. We have some more contributions to the Junk Journal crochet collaboration. This one I think might just be another form of Happy Mail, but there's two more here. Okay, so I'm going to link the video above here that explains how this Junk Journal crochet collaboration works. So I'm asking people to send in little appliques. This one I made, or doilies, crochet trim, things like that, whatever's going to fit flat into this Junk Journal. And this is based on crochet. Look at these cute little danglies I have here. Yeah, so let's just look at this. It's an old picture of that's a little boy that's crocheting, and this is around 1912, and these are girls crocheting. So it was rare, pretty rare for little boys to crochet back then. And now I'm so happy to see lots of males crocheting. This is getting pretty thick. If I keep decorating it, it's going to, you know, I may have to make another one. So let's take a look at what has arrived. Now, okay, let's take a look at this one. This one is from Washington, the state of Washington. So let's see. Oh, isn't that cute? Hello. I used to have a letter opener, but I don't know where it is. Okay. Let's see. Oh, very nice. Look at these books and the plant in the jar. Very nice. Huh, very nice. All right, spring work is going on with joyful enthusiasm. John Muir. Dear Darla, blessings to you this spring season, Christine. Your yarny friend Christine is crocheting. Thank you so much, Christine. I will link her channel below. Thank you so much. Okay, lovely Happy Mail. Thank you. All right. This feels like a contribution to this crochet journal. Beautiful envelope, by the way. Beautiful. This is from Tennessee, TN. I think that's Tennessee in the States. Okay, it's just beautiful. All right. There we go. I'm so excited. Are you excited? All right. I'm so excited. Fumble fingers here. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. See how they go together? Oh. Something just fell out. It's a seahorse. Oh, my goodness. That is so precious. Oh, no. Really? An owl? Oh, my goodness. Okay, we don't even know who this is from yet, do we? Well, I do, but you don't. Beautiful heart. Oh, so you know what that means? 3 entries. Yes, there's a surprise at the end of that video. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is so nice. Darla, hope you are able to use at least one of these. Love your channel. You have taught me so much. Oh, thank you so much. I have only been crocheting since December 2020 and have a lot to learn. I crochet something every day because I love it. Your friend in Tennessee, Debbie Mashburn, aka Be Too Little, Too Late. All right. P.S. You may say any part of my name. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm just so thrilled. Look at the googly eyes on the owl. Kind of looks like my eyes sometimes. That is precious. So precious. All right. So, Debbie, I thank you so much for your contributions. And I can't wait to start putting these. I'm kind of waiting a little bit to get more to put them into the junk journal, and I will definitely I will show an update on the junk journal at some point. Okay, so now we have one from New York, the state of New York. Okay. Can we get in this way? Nothing important here. Okay. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! This is so exciting! Okay. Look! It's a fish! Oh, I love that. It's a fish. Oh, and a flower. So pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my goodness, look at those feet. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, this is from Cheryl Wilkins. Okay, she writes, "Hi Darla, I enjoy your videos very much. Thanks for creating them. I am so happy for the chance to participate in your worldwide junk journal. I hope you can use at least one of these. Take care." Cheryl Wilkins. It's okay to say my name. Well, thank you so much, Cheryl. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you know, I'm going to be trying to use all of them in this journal. Oh my goodness, that is so great. So great. Okay, so just to give you an idea, let's see. Look how beautiful that is. I'm like this one that I made, this little kitty. This is actually a junk mail envelope with the window, and I had put the kitty inside there. I'm going to try to do more than just glue them on the pages. I'm going to try to do, like this one could go into maybe a pocket at the bottom, and he'd be sticking out, he or she would be sticking out like that. And, you know, the recipient, oh, did I say recipient? Oh, that's the surprise. But anyway, you know, it'd be something fun to find in the journal. Or even a tuck spot that would cover up, you know, this much of it, and then the person can see that there's something in there that needs to be pulled out. You know, it's just so fun. So that's just an example. Oh my gosh, I got goosebumps because I love everything so much. I just want to put these there too. Oh my goodness, a little heart, a little seahorse. You guys are so creative, and you know, you have great ideas. And then the little owl. Great ideas, you guys. Just great. Okay, so I think that's it for now, but I just want to share those with you, and I was so excited to see them. Thank you, everyone. And yeah, when you go to that video explaining how this works, and the, you know, the surprise at the end of the video and all that, could you please subscribe, comment, like, share if you care, and yeah, so that more people can see this and can participate. And I think it's going to be so fun. Okay, let me just give you like a little rundown here. This is another one I received. I showed it in a video. Let me just show it again. Isn't that precious? And this one was from the lovely Roxana Purcell. And she's from Nova Scotia here in Canada. Oops, I'm not even showing it. This little angel. So sweet. Yes. And a beautiful card. Oop. Get in frame. Okay. So, oh, I just made this the other day. This one has a window. This is from junk mail. And maybe I'll put one of these in that window. But we'll see. I don't know yet. And then there's a little pocket here. And this is just a little writing spot. And I stamped on there, "We'll always be friends, cozy wishes." Yeah. So, yeah, it's going to be based mainly on crochet. And I've made up a few things here. Looked up interesting questions on Google, like what's the hardest thing to crochet in the world? The bullion stitch, it says. And there's other ones. Which country is famous for crochet? And these will be writing cards. And I put a little note, keep life simple, on the back of each of them. So those will somehow go into this journal. And so I'm basing it on crochet mainly. Yarn ball, cat holding a yarn ball hooked on you. This is a belly band, and I have something I think is of interest to all crocheters tucked in here. So yeah, I'm not showing it right now. And I made my own scrapbook paper out of crochet stuff that I did. I took a picture of it and I printed it. And so that's real crochet stitches there. And there's a pattern I put in here of something. It's not my pattern, yeah, but it's something. All right. So here's another little pocket, crochet all day, and that's crochet hook. And this is a tab. It's actually a yarn ball. So yeah, this is yarn here. I love this flower. This part is yarn, and the flower is made from yarn ball rubber stamps. Yeah, so it's based on crochet in some way. All right, I thank you everyone so much for being here and watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And I'm so looking forward to all the rest that I'll receive. Send them in to the end of June. All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful day.